Hey YouTube, how's it going? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the blend door actuator in your Ford Explorer. Particularly for mine, my model is a 2006 Ford Explorer XLT V8 4.6 liter engine. Right? And I'm sure this actuator also works for 06 to 010 models as well, regardless of what your engine size is. Alright, so to start, this is a actuator. This is a blend door actuator. Alright, and you're probably guessing, you're probably wondering, how to replace it. So reasons why you would buy this, as a replacement part for your vehicle. You know, um, you're turning on your AC or heat may be stuck. Like for example, my car, the air conditioner could be stuck on freeze. I can turn the temperature knob to warm, but it just be stuck on freeze. You don't even move to hot. You don't move an inch to hot. You just want to be on freeze, no matter what. You can do all the knobs. You can turn all the knobs, but it just wants to stay on freeze. Or you can be on heat, forever, and it gets warmer. You want to put it on cold, but when you put it on cold, nothing happens. It just want to stay on heat, and that's where, most likely, this is where your blend door actuator is the reason. For example, this is like a blend door. It opens the door for your hot and closes the cold, or opens the cold, closes the door for the hot. You know, and to replace this, you would just come down here like so, and maybe just pull this off, and this is what the actuator looks like. Alright, it'll connect to the piece right there. Alright, it's kind of hard to see, and right here is where the drive shaft will fit into. See if I can get some light for y'all. Alright. It's not that hard, y'all. And all you do is plug it up like that. Alright. And just fit the drive shaft into the hole right there. Alright. May have to wiggle it, rotate it a little bit, but that's how it would go on. Alright, which I'll do for y'all in a sec. Now, to test your actuator, see if it's the problem with your AC, what you would do is, you would just take this off, take the door off. Alright, just take it off like that. And you may or may not need to take this off, but you want to look at your drive shaft here. Like when you turn on the heat and cold, this should move. Let me show y'all. Now this is the new one I put in. Don't get confused with the old one. This is the new one I put in. Alright, let me show y'all. Now, watch. Now, as I move the temperature knob, it'll move like so. Alright, y'all see that? Now I'm gonna move back to cold. Alright, so that's one way. That's one way you can diagnose your vehicle to see why your heat won't work or why your AC won't work, no matter what knob you turn to. Alright. Now, like I said, you just do this like so. It's real easy, y'all. You're gonna find a hole right there. Just fit it in the hole. And that's how it fits on, y'all. And you just put a screw like so. And this is really snug, y'all. See that? It's barely moves. But, you know, I recommend, you do want to screw this, because, this can fall out when you're on a dirt road or what have you. Alright, y'all. It's real simple, y'all. So, to go over what I just told y'all, just go in your 06 Explorer, right? All you do is just pop this off, like so, real easy. And just look right there for your actuator. Just come over, look like that. It's just sitting right there. And how do you remove the screws? You just use a wrench, to take the screw off. And there should be two more up there. We just do it the same way. And you don't necessarily have to take this off, but you may want to, if just to reach those two screws that may or may not be on there. Alright. And to take this off, I believe you would just take this off and just then pop this off. Alright. It's a real easy fix, y'all. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can too. Nothing to worry about. Just recommend not tugging hard on pieces. Be cautious about the wiring, not the snag your wiring. But other than that, it's real simple, y'all. I'm happy, y'all. Alright, y'all. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video or content, reading my content, do feel free to rate, comment, subscribe. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'm out.